Good morning here at the farm, where you can see rapeseed named carinata. This is a type of crop which is going to be used for airline fuel. So it's a different kind of crop which will give us energy instead of food, right? This produces oil, and they will use that as a biofuel. This field had soybean last year, a very good first crop soybean. Then we planted this, which is a winter crop, and after this we will plant soybean again. So the idea is, as usual, trying to rotate with 5 crops every 3 years. Here in Uruguay we can double crop with winter and summer crop. That's an advantage. We take advantage also in the precipitation we have, 1200 millimeters per year. That is about 55 inches. So we use all that precipitation to produce more food, more energy, more fiber, trying to be as profitable as possible.